Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So today's video is going to be a very short video. I already shared with you this week, but my client wanted it in color 127 and 27 and black, so I decided to just share the video with you, or the style with you, just before I send it to my client. So guys, if you love this style, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you're interested in any of my wigs, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below, so you can contact me and I'll send them to you. So this is color 1350 and 30 and black, but my client wanted it in this color.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. And I feel you're like a pill to get my fill. No, do me in the worst way.